Okay, what you're looking at here is the 2016 Optic Collector's Box. Look for bronze parallels including rare Donruss threads and rookie threads insert. One auto and one mem exclusive to the box. Usually it's a scrub auto, but you never know. I did get a Kenyon Drake. I think it's the best auto that I've ever pulled out of this. Alright. Definitely never pulled anything, I don't think, better than that. What are we looking at here? 10 packs. Definitely wouldn't mind pulling a couple of the top rookies and parallels. That would be nice, because, well, actually, that's really what I'm looking for, because, like I said, that the auto and mem card aren't likely to be stellar. Alright, Matthew Stafford, Malcolm Mitchell, parallel rookie. Brandon Marshall, Gridiron Kings, and Jonathan Bullard. Do this. Set at a weird angle. Andrew Luck, Thomas Rawls, the Sheriff, Peyton Manning, and a Dak Prescott rookie. Very nice. Fitz, Allen Robinson, a Malik Collins parallel, and Tyreek Hill rookie. Nothing wrong with a little speedster Tyreek. Adrian Peterson, Julio Jones, RG3 parallel, Chris Moore rookie. I think this is the mem card. Melvin Gordon, Edelman. It is Tyler Irvin, so not the best. Not the worst either. Forrest Buckner. Could have done better for sure. Kelvin Benjamin. Here is a bronze Jake Ruddock. Not numbered. Jalen Smith, the rookies. Malik Collins. Brandon Marshall, Mike Evans, Kim Diche, rookie parallel, and a Jared Goff rookie. Very nice. CJ Anderson, Macklin, Drew Brees, parallel, Kendall Fuller. 2 more packs. Still looking for that autograph. Blaine Gabbert, Amari Cooper, Allen Robinson. Is that? Yeah, that's numbered to 199. Last pack. Hopefully there's an autograph in here. Unless I read that wrong. It looks like there's something there. Hopkins, Green, Sua Cravens is the autograph. And Austin Hooper is the last card. Again, yeah, about what I expected. Nothing too crazy. Truthfully, between the Mega Box and the Collector's Box, I like the Mega Box better. I like the looks. The Mega Box has the red and yellow parallels. I like the look of that better than the bronze. And if you're not going to get a really good autograph, then, you know, and you're really just looking for rookie cards and parallels, and I think the Mega Box is the way to go. And it costs less, so, you know, that's my opinion. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.